Hi students, welcome to new video. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the problems related to power of a lens. Those who have not watched the last videos, please watch it before doing these problems. So first problem, a convex lens has focal length 20 cm. Find the power. So here the focal length is given, f is equal to 20 cm. So to find the power, we have to convert the centimeter to meter. So what we have to do? Divided by 100. So 100, it is 0.2 meter. And what's the equation to find the power? Power is equal to 1 by f. So is equal to 1 by 0.2. How can we remove this points and multiply denominator and numerator by 10? So what's the answer? It is 5 diopter. It is 5 diopter. So second question, find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. So when you see this question, you think it is very easy, but if you are not using the sign convention properly, the answer will be wrong. So here the question is, find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. So for concave lens, what is sign for focal length? It is negative. That is the main point here. Otherwise, if you are not putting the sign here, the problem will be wrong. So f is equal to minus 2 meter. So what's the power? Power is equal to 1 by f. It is equal to minus 1 by 2.
That is minus 0.5 diopter.
It is already given in meter. So we need not to convert into meter. So next question. A convex lens form a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 cm from it. Where is the needle placed in front of a convex lens? If image is same size of the object, find the power of the lens. So in the question is given that the image formed is same size as that of the object. So only in one case we are getting same size as that object, when we are keeping the object at 2f1. When we are keeping the object at 2f1, f1, f1, f2, to f2. When we are keeping the object at 2f1, we are getting an image of same size at the 2f2. Here it is given that the image is formed as same size as that of object. That means the image is formed at 2f2. So when we are keeping the object at 2f1, we are getting a object at 2f2. So this distance, this is the optic center. So the distance from optic center to 2f2 is given, it is 50 centimeter. It is given 50 centimeter. So what is this one? This distance is also same. It is 50 centimeter. The both distance are same. So the distance from the optic center to 2f2 is 50 centimeter. As such, the distance from the optic center to 2f1 is also 50 centimeter. So the object is placed a 50 centimeter in front of the lens. So what is the value of 2f1? What is the value of 2f? So in general we can write 2f. So both distances are same, so we can general it is written as 2f. So what is the value of 2f? 2f is equal to 50 centimeter. 2f is equal to 50 centimeter. So what is f? It is equal to 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25 centimeter. Next what we have to do? We have to convert the centimeter to meter. So f is equal to 25 divided by 100. It is equal to 0.25 meter. So next we have to find the power of the lens. Power is equal to 1 by f. Power is equal to 1 by f. So focal length is given. Power is equal to 1 by 0.25. So in order to remove this point sign, we have to, it is 2 digits are there after the point. So we have to multiply by 100. So we have to multiply by 100 in the numerator and the denominator. So is equal to 1 into 100 divided by 0.25 into 100 is equal to 100 divided by 25. So it is 4 diopter. So it is 4 diopter. So next question. Two thin lens of power plus 3.5 diopter and minus 2 diopter are placed in contact. Find power and focal length of the lens. So here we have to use the combination. Here the two lenses are made contact with each other. So we have to use the formula power is equal to P1 plus P2. P is equal to P1 plus P2. So what is P1 here? P1 is equal to plus 3.5 diopter and P2 is equal to minus 2.5 diopter. So P is equal to 3.5 diopter minus 2.5 diopter. So what is power is equal to 1 diopter. So what's the equation to next we have to find the focal length. P is equal to 1 by F. So what's the equation to find the F? F is equal to 1 by P. So 1 by 1 diopter. So F is equal to 1 meter. So thanks for watching this video.